In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Word file to Microsoft Copilot. If you've been looking for a quick and efficient way to integrate your Word documents with AI technology, then you're in the right place. We'll go through this process step by step, making it easy for anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to follow along. To begin, we need to open Microsoft Copilot. If you're unfamiliar, Microsoft Copilot is a fantastic tool that integrates AI into everyday tasks to make your workflow more productive and intuitive. You can usually find Copilot readily accessible from within Microsoft's suite of applications, so go ahead and open it up. Once you're there, you'll see a chat-like interface, which is how you'll interact with the service. It's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Now, let's move on to the next part. In this chat interface, you'll want to look for an option that says Upload or Attach File. This function is often located near the message input field or within a drop-down menu if you don't see it immediately. Taking a moment here to get familiar with the chat interface is always beneficial as it makes future interactions more intuitive. The next step is to upload your Word document. To do this, click on the Upload or Attach File option that you spotted earlier. A File Explorer window should pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories. Browse to the location of the Word document you wish to upload. Once you've selected your file, double-click on it or click on the Open button to attach it to your Copilot session. It's a seamless process designed to carry over all the content in your Word file, so rest assured that everything will transfer smoothly. Once your document is uploaded, you can type your prompt into the chat interface. This is where the magic happens. You might ask Copilot to summarize the document's content, generate questions based on the text, or define specific terms for clarity. Be as clear and specific with your request as possible, as this helps Copilot provide accurate and useful responses. Finally, after you've entered your prompt, all you need to do is wait for Copilot to process your request and respond. This usually doesn't take long, but if your document is particularly large or your prompt is quite complex, it might take a few extra moments. Once Copilot responds, you'll have the tailored information or insights you asked for directly from your document. And there you have it. A straightforward method to upload your Word files to Microsoft Copilot and get the most out of this powerful AI tool. Hopefully, this video helps enhance the way you interact with your digital documents. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials.